Alright, good morning. This is a quick video about the Magicfour Fuel gas can vent caps. This is not a video on how to install them. This is a video that I hope will answer questions that all the other videos and information on Amazon and eBay do not give you, like how these things are put together and what they look like close up and some other issues. So we'll start with, this is a set I ordered. It comes with 6. It comes with a wire. The wire is to help you install it because it's otherwise rather difficult to get these things installed. It comes with the proper size drill bit. It comes with the wrench for tightening it, and it comes with stickers to tell you what it is, and then it comes with the vents. On the back side is the instructions, which is why I'm not going to go into any detail on how to install it. There are videos on YouTube. I will just do this and you can pause it and read them. So that's the basics of it. Now we're going to take one of these apart so you can see exactly what these look like. This is the thing that bothered me, was that nobody showed in any detail what these things looked like or how they were put together or what they were made out of. And I have reasons why I would like to know this. So you'll see that on the back side there's nothing. This isn't cut with a hex nut. There's nothing for you to grab onto easily in order to tighten it, and you're not meant to tighten it from behind. But that's what it looks like. You will see that we have a cap and a nut. We'll get into the cap in a second. You have this concave, convex washer, depending on how you look at it. And then you have 2 O-rings. And the second O-ring is in a little kind of a, it's hard to see it, but it's in a dished out area so that it gets held in there snugly. This is exactly the same size as a valve stem that you would find on a car tire. So you could use caps from those if you needed to, but there is one thing you'll need to know about these. You can see that they're threaded inside. These are basically a valve stem for a car. When you install it, you would put it through the back side of the hole, follow the instructions, you put this on it, put this on the outside, tighten this down snug, and then you would put the cap on it. And this is the one piece of information that nobody else gave that I wanted to know, was how they kept this from leaking. And there is a small washer in there so that it makes an airtight seal, which should block the liquid. I'm gonna try and test that. Or for you Project Farm fans, we're gonna test that. So back in a little bit. Okay, so as I said, I didn't film how to do this. Just follow the instructions. I will say that number one, what I installed it in is not what it's meant to be installed in. It's meant to be installed in a gas can, which is made of high density polyethylene. This is a container of PET, polyethylene tetra something another. I had a bit of trouble getting it to go through the hole, and so I chased it with, I just put a bunch of sockets on the end and then bounced it up and down until it hammered its way through the hole, and that worked pretty good. Then I just put it together. I had to hold on to the end and tighten this down, but once it started tightening, I didn't need to hold on to the end. I have seen some people have trouble getting it to tighten, and that may be because they use too big of a hole. And see if I can show this. It's not leaking, which I'm going to need in a future video. I'm going to be using this for something else, and I need it to hold water or another liquid in this position for a short period of time. And so as you can see, it is pretty much watertight. This could probably be tightened a little more, but it's working good enough for what I want. It's not leaking. So there you go. Later.